So I got this new projector here, and this is the first projector that I've bought in probably 8 years. What has surprised me most about projectors lately is how cheap they've gotten. This one was only $90. The last one I bought was like $1,000, and that was cheap. I've had a chance to test this out a little bit, so let me tell you what I think. So here it is. I like the look of it. It's got this nice, white, smooth finish on it. It's certainly small. What I like about it is it's got pretty much every kind of interface you could want. You can put an SD card in there. You can hook up an old-fashioned, whatever this thing is, VGA. What is this? Of course, you've got HDMI and a USB port, so you could just put a USB drive in here. It's got a headphone jack, so an audio output jack. So you could connect other speakers to it. You could connect headphones, but also just in a stereo system, you could connect to it. And then it's got this AV input port, and that's because it comes with this little AV connector here. So if you have the old RCA plus video, so RCA sound plus video, in this adapter, that'll plug in the side there, and you could use that kind of a system. Of course, comes with a remote. I think you give you the power cord here and an HDMI, a nice flat HDMI cable. It does have speakers in it already, and they're okay. You can adjust the keystoning. You might get an image like this or like this, and this keystoning dial here lets you adjust that. This dial here is for the focus. It's just really hard to adjust the focus. That would be the one thing I would say could use some improvement. This dial here shouldn't be so slippery. Make it grippy so we can actually get a hold of it. This just is a little stand so that you can just point it up a little bit, or you can just take it all the way off and it'll sit flat on the desk. What I plan to do with this is show movies outside for the kids this summer, but I also want to have some fun with the house, projecting some different things to make the house look different at different seasons. So that's my hope. That's why I got this. That's my hope that I'll be able to do with it. So let me show you some footage of this little puppy in action. So there you go. That's the Crenova Mini Multimedia Projector. It does everything you'd ask it to do, and does it pretty well, and it's a pretty good price. I couldn't be happier with it. That's it. Thanks. Adios.